Located on Canada's east coast along the Atlantic Ocean, New Brunswick offers a distinct way of life and exciting career opportunities. There are so many reasons to move to New Brunswick.
Some people choose to live in New Brunswick to enjoy a more relaxed, healthy, and affordable lifestyle. Others move because of great healthcare and education system. And others choose New Brunswick to be minutes away from the oceans, lakes, rivers, and trails, as well as lively urban centers and smaller friendly communities.
The Entrepreneur Stream is designed for experienced entrepreneurs who are ready to establish, operate, and actively manage a business while living and settling in New Brunswick permanently. It is an immigration program that allows the government of New Brunswick to nominate individuals with the greatest ability to become economically established in New Brunswick. Some of the benefits of this program are: it's a direct path to permanent residence, it has low investment requirement, it has quick processing from the provincial authorities, and the province provides a dynamic investment environment for entrepreneurs.
To qualify, you must have a verifiable personal net worth of at least 600,000 Canadian dollars. You must be a business owner for at least 3 out of the last 5 years, or a senior manager in a business in 5 out of the last 5 years. When investing in a business, you must make an eligible business investment of not less than 250,000 Canadian dollars and control at least 33.33% equity in the business.
You must be between 22 to 55 years of age, obtain the minimum score equal of Canadian Language Benchmark 5 for English or French, and you must have at least a 2-year post-secondary education equal to a Canadian credential. If you are nominated, you will receive a letter with instructions for submitting signed and dated business performance agreement and the deposit of 100,000 Canadian dollars within 60 days of issuance of the letter. After receiving your nomination certificate, you can already apply for permanent residence.
The postgraduate entrepreneurial stream was developed for recent foreign graduates from a recognized university in New Brunswick or the New Brunswick Community College who have studied for at least 2 years full-time. You must have subsequently started or acquired a business in New Brunswick and operated it for at least 1 year while on a valid post-graduation work permit. You must be between 22 to 40 years old, have a score of at least 7 on the Canadian Language Benchmark in English or French, have completed a full-time New Brunswick post-secondary degree or diploma for at least 2 years from a recognized university or community college,
have resided in New Brunswick during the academic program, have owned and operated business in New Brunswick for at least 1 full year, have a valid post-graduation work permit, and demonstrate your intention and ability to settle in New Brunswick. The New Brunswick Skilled Worker Stream is designed for foreign nationals who possess the skills, education, and work experience needed to contribute to New Brunswick's economy. Candidates must meet the program's minimum eligibility requirements, have a genuine offer of employment from a New Brunswick employer, and have a full intent to live and work in the province on a permanent basis. To be eligible, a New Brunswick employer has offered you a permanent, full-time, year-round employment in an eligible occupation. The wage you have been offered must be competitive with the New Brunswick wage rates for the occupation. Your employer is willing to support your application. You must be between 19 to 55 years of age. You must have at least Canadian Language Benchmark 4 for English or French, have a minimum Canadian secondary diploma or equivalent, and you must have at least 1 year of work experience in the last 5 years related to the job offer. The New Brunswick Express Entry Stream is designed for foreign nationals with the skills, education, and work experience to contribute to New Brunswick economy, who are ready to live and work in New Brunswick and meet the requirements for each stage of the Express Entry Stream. To be eligible for this program, you must have submitted a Federal Express Entry profile, currently living and working in New Brunswick, have a valid Canadian work permit. The National Occupational Classification Code for the current employment is for a position that matches level 0, A, or B, have language score equivalent to Canadian Language Benchmark 7, and have a minimum equivalent of Canadian High School Diploma. The New Brunswick Strategic Initiative Stream is for French-speaking workers with the skills, education, and work experience to contribute to New Brunswick's economy and who are ready to live and work in the province permanently. To be considered under this stream, you must have one of the following three eligible connections: an exploratory visit, or a genuine job, or a letter of interest from the province of New Brunswick. You must be between 19 to 55 years of age, have obtained a minimum score level 5 of French language. You must at minimum have a Canadian secondary diploma or equivalent, and your work experience shall be in the same type of job as the job you want to use for your immigration application. Work experience is not required for international graduates with a minimum 2-year post-secondary diploma or certificate from a New Brunswick learning institution. New Brunswick is working closely with other Atlantic provinces and the federal government to ensure the successful development and delivery of the Atlantic Immigration Pilot. Employers in New Brunswick can use the pilot to hire foreign workers. I have discussed the Atlantic Immigration Pilot in a separate video, so please watch it as well. Thanks for watching. My name is Jessica Sabinesio of Fusion Immigration, your pathway to Canada.